So today some magic mail arrived from the Disney store, and as you might have seen, Disney released the Mickey Mouse Memories, as it's 90 years of the mouse himself this year. So I thought I'd buy the first plush and pins, as I really liked both of them. So let's have a look. I've already opened the box, as you can see, just to have a little look. So first of all, we've got the plush, which is real nice. It's all leather, nice black and white, like the original Steamboat Willie, as you can see. It's got him on them there, all over his body. It's all on his face. It's all on his head here and on his ears. And I love the quote on it. I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing. That it was all started by a mouse. Although technically it began with a rabbit. I also got the 3 pins. The little Mickey Mouse with the steamboat's wheel, his hand, and then Mickey Mouse there. All in the nice black and white theming. So this is one of 12, and these are £15. And then this is one of 12 again, and this one is £25. So they're getting released on the 18th of every month in the UK, and then on the 20th in Shop Disney in the US. And I think I'm going to collect all the pins. And then I think I might get another one of the plush. I really like the March one that they've released. They've only released pictures of up until June. So if I like any more, I might buy them ones. And I'm also thinking I'm going to buy the book to keep the pins in. Just so they're nice and sturdy. Really like the back bits of them, with the little Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Wow. So that's everything I bought from the Disney store this week, and I shall see you again next time.